Welcome to Fox Marble. We specialize in a variety of custom projects, from kitchen and bath countertops, book-matched showers, dimensional limestone fireplaces, carved vessel sinks, and many more. For larger projects, Fox can integrate elements such as tile installation and wall cladding. Fox offers over 50 different edge details and can customize any design to fit your project. We also photograph and digitize each slab. Your project will be overlaid on your digitized slabs in our in-house design studio, where you can see what your final product will look like. Our professional installation crews complete the process with extraordinary attention to detail. We are always ahead of the curve with our cutting-edge stone fabrication equipment and our team of master craftsmen who have decades of experience. Our Stone Care and Restoration division specializes in restoring, repairing, maintaining, and sealing and cleaning stone. We only use the best products and offer a 15-year stain resistance warranty. Expect the extraordinary with Fox.